Okay, I unlocked it in case I hit the sand. Okay, I got the video camera rolling.
Rolling?
It's rolling.
Good to go?
Yep. How was that?
That was good.
You want me to come pick you up?
Nope.
You want me to come pick you up?
I'm going again. Fuck you.
Hey, let's see some maneuvers.
Some maneuvers?
Let's see some maneuvers.
Weird. Yeah, that's just deep as fuck, dude.
Yeah.
It feels slimy.
He's what an asshole.
He left with all the beer.
Ha ha.